So we're shooting this video. It's more about above parking garage structures. So again, like you all heard about the Surfside Tower collapse, you all heard about, and everybody's running to judgment. I do leak detections on these pools all day long. I've been doing them for years. Here's an example of one we did just yesterday. Again, this is under a parking structure. So pool comes all the way down to the ground. However, there's a floor above it with a deck around it. When we walk up on this job, and I like doing those type of leak detections, and let me tell you why. We're able to see a lot of the pool. We're able to go underneath. We're able to see penetrations. We're able to see where pipes go through. We're able to see where skimmers actually hang on those jobs. We're able to get underneath, and in most cases, when you have a structure and you have equipment that's below grade, we have all workable valves, which makes it easy for us to static test. And I taught everybody what static testing is in our leak detection training. So again, we're able to isolate, we're able to static test without pressure testing all of these pools. So again, here's one, and when we walked up on it, we noticed we have a skimmer that's been replaced. We have a structural crack that's in the bond beam, but way below a skimmer. And when we go to the other side, we can see where the water penetration was in that specific case. So again, on these above ground structures, we're able to get in, we're able to listen like we do with any other pool. Drop a mic in the pool, listen around all protrusions, around all penetrations, and visually look. When you're doing a pool that's above structure like this, keep your eyes open and you'll find these leaks all day. On this job, we noted we had a bond beam break, we had a structural crack, and if you could see the skimmer seam, we had water that was penetrating the skimmer seam. We're able to show that from underneath. Again, we documented it all and we put this report together.